Listen, there's a sleeping giant inside you that's been waiting for permission to wake up. And I'm here to tell you that permission expires in 30 days because that's exactly how long it takes to unlock the hidden strength that's been building pressure inside you like a volcano ready to erupt. Right now, you're operating on maybe 10% of your true potential. Walking through life like you're driving a Ferrari in first gear, completely unaware that you have access to power that could transform not just your circumstances, but your entire identity. Your brain keeps 80% of your strength locked away in some evolutionary safety deposit box, convinced that you need to save it for emergencies. But what if I told you that your dreams, your goals, your deepest desires are the emergency, and every day you're not accessing the hidden reservoir of power is another day you're robbing yourself of the life you were meant to live? Day 1 through 10, you're going to doubt everything. Your abilities, your potential, even this process itself, because your comfort zone is going to scream at you to stop, to quit, to go back to playing small. But that's exactly when champions are separated from quitters. Days 11 through 20, something shifts. You'll feel the giant stirring, stretching, beginning to flex muscles you forgot you had. And suddenly tasks that seemed impossible start feeling inevitable. Problems that looked insurmountable start looking like stepping stones. And the voice in your head that used to whisper, "You can't," begins to roar, "Watch me." Days 21 through 30, you become unrecognizable to yourself and everyone around you because you've accessed strength that doesn't just change what you can do. It changes who you are, how you think, how you move through the world, and how the world responds to you. This isn't about finding strength you don't have. It's about unleashing the strength that's been trapped under layers of limiting beliefs, comfortable excuses, and the dangerous lie that you're supposed to save your best for someday. Your hidden strength isn't hiding in some mystical place. It's buried under your fear of your own power, your terror of your own potential, and your addiction to playing it safe. The question isn't whether you have this strength. The question is whether you're brave enough to spend the next 30 days proving to yourself just how powerful you really are. Because on the other side of this challenge is a version of yourself so unstoppable that your current problems will look like warm-up exercises.